welcome to this amazing one-stroke painting sessions. So let me start by introducing myself at first. My name is Ayushi and I am the founder and owner of this venture called the Creative Kalakar. And we at Creative Kalakar have this amazing motto of promoting heritage arts and crafts of not only India but throughout the world. And we also move with the modern techniques and the modern arts. So thus we have this one-stroke painting today. So we'll start shortly. We also have one artist community where we give chance to young and budding artists to have a platform. Like today we have our very special artist and a one-stroke painting master, Diya Pissard, with us. She'll be here soon. Hello, Diya.
Hi.
So everyone, here we have our artist for today, Diya Pissard. She is an amazing one-stroke artist. She has a very great expertise in one-stroke and many more art forms. So today she'll be your host for doing painting. I'll let her introduce herself because she does that better she can do that better for herself. So over to you, Diya.
Hi everyone, I'm Dia. I study in 11th. So, shall I introduce what is one stroke or will wait for a moment?
Yeah, we'll wait for 2 more minutes and then you can start.
Okay. One stroke painting is basically the painting based on nature elements like flowers, different kinds of flowers. It contains rose, sunflower, hibiscus, and many more other flowers can be done using one stroke. Different kinds of leaves, different kinds of butterflies, birds, etc. It is a painting usually using a single brush. We make the flowers and a brush contains 2 colors or maximum 3 colors on it. So let's have a look. This will require is acrylic colors, 6 and 4 number flat brush, a thin round brush, plate, steel plate or an OHP sheet, and a water bowl and a rough cloth, and A4 size any color paper.
Yes, so I guess most of you have got their queries solved. So post a yes, Diya.
Okay. So now like the similar circle, we'll draw one more circle here. It's just for our reference. We'll draw a line from that circle and again a circle there. So basically these circles represent the rose birds that we'll be making. Again draw a wave from here. Again a circle here. A wave from here. A circle here. And finally just a wave. Once I start using the paints, I guess it will be visible. So now I'm taking a plate. I'm taking a red acrylic color. If I draw it with a pen, even when I'll apply the colors, the pen mark will remain. We'll just remove a quantity of red color on the steel plate or an OHP sheet. A white color.
So anyone, if you have missed the drawing or any part of the session, then you can watch it later on the same page. This live will be saved, or this live will also be there on our YouTube channel, so you can watch it anytime. So if you have missed anything, so if you miss anything, you can watch it there. And anyone who feel that the comments are coming in between, please swipe the comments to the left. They'll go away from your screen because it's not possible for us to stop the comments.
Okay. So now you have to dip your brush. I'm taking a 6-number brush. You have to dip it in the water and make sure that the brush is moist and not wet. The brush should not contain excess water. Just wipe it out once with a rough cloth. Now, from one edge of the brush, dip the edge in the white color and then other end in the red color. So your brush will look like this. Now what you have to do, just to make sure that the whole brush contains the same quantity of colors, you have to just do it like this once and again turn the brush and do it again. So do this for 2 to 3 times at least. Your brush will look like this. Now you can see the drawing area.
Miss the drawing, here it is a very rough drawing, so we'll wait for a minute for you all if you want to like draw it. So we'll wait for you all a minute. So Dia, just a minute and then we can start with the work.
Yeah. So can I start?
Yes, you can start.
Okay. Take the white part outside and hold your brush in a slanting position. Hold your brush slant and just make a V. Just make a V. Keep the brush on one line of the V. Press the brush and make sure that it ends on the next line of the V. Similarly, we have to do it here in the remaining 2 circles here and 3 circles here.
Okay, everyone, will wait for a few more minutes. So all of you can't like clearly see the video. So we'll wait for you all to complete the drawing.
Ma'am, is it better now?
Yes, I guess you can hold it the same way.
Okay.
A little steady so everyone can see. You can continue there.
Okay. So after this, again dip your brush and continue with the same procedure. Now what you have to do is, from the edge of the petal, keep your brush there, make a straight line and make the similar straight line on the opposite side. Now keep the brush on the first straight line, apply some pressure and end it till the second straight line. Okay, I'll repeat it.
Dia, your screen isn't visible clearly. It's too dark.
Is it better now?
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Anyone who's missed, please note that this video is being recorded and will be there on our Facebook page and also will be put up on our YouTube channel so you can watch it anytime and practice it more.
Okay. So what you have to do is make a V. After making that V, place the brush in the slanting position on one line. Press the brush and end it on the second line.
Dia, it wasn't visible. Your brush was coming in between.
Make a V. I'm placing the brush slanting on the first line which I made, this line. Press the brush and will end at the second line.
So everyone, if you're interested to learn this one-stroke painting in detail, so this is just the basic that we are teaching today. If you're wanting to learn it in detail, we are coming up with a workshop, a 5-day one-stroke painting workshop where everything will be taught to you from the basics, holding your brushes correctly, using how to use it, how to make the perfect strokes, everything will be taught. So we are starting next week. In case you're interested, please message me for all the details. After this workshop, the details will also be provided to you on the group. But if you're interested to learn this one-stroke painting in detail, please note that you'll be coming up with a workshop for the same.
Okay, now what we have to do is, from the end of the petal tip, we just have to make straight lines like this. Put the brush on the one straight line, press the brush and end it on the other. Similarly, we'll do it here. We'll make two straight lines. Keep the brush on the first straight line. Press the brush and end it on the second straight. Again, I'll make a V here. Keep the brush on one line. Press the brush and end it on the second line. We'll make a straight line here. Keep the brush on the line. Press the line and make an opposite C. Now we'll be continuing on this side. This side, two more buds. We'll make a V. Press the brush. straight line. Press the brush. And the last rosebud. Make a V. Press the brush. Make straight lines. Set. After this, we'll take green color on our palette.
So everyone, these are just the basics that we are learning today. If you're interested to learn this in more detail and in depth, being a master of one stroke, we are coming up with a certified workshop for the same starting next week on the 29th. So in case you're interested, details will provided to you on the group and you can join the workshop.
Now I'm taking a round brush, thin round brush. I'll dip it in the green color. We just have to make small thin lines. Similarly on the other side. After this is done, I'm taking 4 number flat brush. We'll dip it in the water and wipe it. After this, I'll be taking green color on one edge of the brush and the white on the other for the leaves. And we'll continue with the same procedure. Make sure that there is a good amount of color on your brush. Now what you have to do is, the white color will remain outside. Again, just make a line like this. And now you have to move your brush in the form of S. Curve, curve and curve. Even here you have to do. Just move it the way you write S. Keep the brush on the edge of a rose bud. Make a line and again move your brush in the form of S. Again an S. So we just have to keep on doing this leaves and fill the line.
So one stroke painting is usually used to make anything beautiful. So it is used to make greeting cards, it is used to make envelopes, it is used to make many beautiful things.
Like
And not just
one
florals,
stroke
but there are
painting.
many, sorry, there are many things that you can learn. And if you're interested, do let us know the details for the upcoming workshop for all the one stroke painting mastery thing has been given in the group, and it will soon be provided on the WhatsApp, on the Facebook group too. Also, if you're doing this painting with us, please do tag us on our Facebook and Instagram pages so that we can also see your lovely work and feature you on our pages.
One stroke painting can be used on any medium, like let it be wood, steel, glass, canvas, anything.
Also, everyone, please don't forget the Fusion Varli Mandala session that was supposed to be done yesterday, but due to technical issues, we weren't able to hold the session yesterday. So, the session of Varli Fusion Mandala free session will be conducted tomorrow at 3 p.m. on the same Facebook page. In case any of you have missed this session or missed anything and you want to still practice more of the same painting, don't worry, this video will be recorded and will be put up on our Facebook page and also on our YouTube channel, The Creative Kalakar by Ayushi Shah.
I'll take a round brush. We'll dip it in the green color. From here, have to make curves. So this can be a page border and you can write anything you want, or you can just leave it like this.
So everyone, that's amazingly done, Dia. That's amazingly done, and it's really beautiful. Everyone, if you wish to learn one-stroke painting in more detail, more depth, from the very basics, from the scratch, even if you don't have any experience and you still want to learn this painting, that's completely fine, because we are coming up with a workshop starting on 29th for one-stroke painting, wherein Dia will teach everything from the very basics, from the scratch, for holding your brush correctly, how to make your strokes perfectly. You can learn all this in our certified workshop. You'll also get a certificate at the end of the workshop. Details for everything, details for the workshop have been provided in the WhatsApp group and soon will be posted on Facebook. So I hope you all enjoy. And if you wish to attend the workshop, please let us know. So yes, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today. And if you wish to still practice this more, this video will be definitely put up on our YouTube channel and will be there on the Facebook page. Also, tomorrow we have another free session on Fusion Mandala. So please stay tuned, stay connected, everyone. So Dia, do we have more?
One more stand. So it's just
That's
one
great.
kind of flower. There are different kinds of flower in one stroke, like hibiscus, naked rose, sunflower, and many more.
Correct. So yes, everyone, you can learn various types of flowers, leaves, and okay. So Dia can give us a little glimpse of what all you can learn in the workshop that is upcoming. So Dia, can you give our participants a glimpse of it?
Okay, the upcoming workshop will be learning from basic, literally the strokes that you need to learn first, and then step by step, one petal and so on. It will contain 3 to 4 different kinds of flowers, and after that we'll have a assignment, 3 assignments. Composition of those flowers will be done in that assignment. Different kinds of 2 to 3 types of leaves.
That's great. So everyone, yes, details for the same have been provided on a WhatsApp group, and if soon will be provided on a WhatsApp Facebook group also. So thank you everyone for joining today. I hope you enjoy, and this video will soon be posted on YouTube, and the link will be shared with you. Please, please, please do tag us on the pages of Creative Kalakar, Facebook and Instagram pages, or share it with us on WhatsApp if you have done this painting with us today. Thank you so much everyone for joining. See you all tomorrow at 3 p.m. for Wali Fusion Mandala. Thank you, Dia.